Today we are going to talk about marketing. Yes, you might say now, oh my God, please no marketing, but marketing is essential. If you do not market your products, people won't come and they won't buy. I can promise you because I tried it and it doesn't work. So what you can do, which is the most effective marketing, is creating a newsletter. And most probably, if you are interested in this topic, you have heard this thousands of times. And that is good, because then by now you already know that it can't be anything different but a newsletter, which is going to help you to succeed. So why is that? That's pretty easy, because wherever you are selling your products, if it's not your platform, just like Etsy, you most likely have no customer email, no address, no contact data, nothing, and no permission to send them an email. So that is why it's super important to have your own newsletter. And if you have your own newsletter, you have your own database of people who will be there to contact if you want to and if you can. So it's super essential to just go ahead and create your own newsletter. Now you might say, oh my God, it's expensive. No, it's not. There is a free solution. And the free solution is named Mailchimp, because Mailchimp allows you to have 2,000 people free on your newsletter before you are charged a penny. And that's the best thing ever, because if you can set up a newsletter list with the help of Mailchimp for free, then you have no reason not to do it. So here you go. You need to go ahead, go to mailchimp.com, register there, create a newsletter, and add it to your website. There are so many tutorials which show you exactly how to do it. And once you've done that, when the newsletter is on your site and someone subscribes to your newsletter, then he or she is automatically informed with the freebie you have for them. That's the other thing. There need to be an intention why someone subscribes to your newsletter. They won't just do it because you are looking nice. They won't. So the only reason you can convince someone to give you their email address is because you give them something for free. And you need to think about that well. What can it be? What can be your freebie, or maybe your freebies? Who knows? To make someone subscribe to your newsletter. The one person might be interested in the one thing and the other person in the other. So it's a good solution to have more than one freebie. So basically what you need to do is you need to create that newsletter, then add it to your website, and then have people contacted automatically whenever they subscribe. And when they do, and you have grabbed their email address, you can sell more to them. So that's the first step you need to take. And if you don't do anything else today, go ahead and register on Mailchimp and set up your newsletter. It's essential, it's super important. So go ahead, please set up your newsletter.